All right, guys, so to use the active park assist on the Hyundai IONIQ 6, this is what the key looks like. So the first thing you want to do is obviously make sure it's locked, and then you want to do the remote start, which, I mean, like an engine car, it'll just start it up. You won't really have an indication outside of the lights. You'll see the inside light up as well, so you'll know that it's on. And then from there, you have these buttons on the side, which I feel like not many people have shown that they're here. So you have your trunk release, but you also have your, it can pull out or it can pull into a spot. So we're gonna hold it here, hold the, backup button, releases the e-brake, turns on the reverse lights, letting you know that it's backed up, and it will sense that if there are objects around it, it will stop. In this situation, it will not steer, so just keep that in mind. And to do the same thing to pull it in, you just let go. It hits the brakes pretty abruptly, just to make sure if you want to cut it close or anything. It won't because they're sensors, but you just press the pull forward button. And if I get in front of the car, which I'm going to do for you guys, don't recommend you try this, but you see the vents are open, which is pretty sick in this situation. I never got to see that from the outside while it's driving. But if I get in front of the car, it hits the brakes by itself. I've been holding it the entire time. You see the hazard lights pop up. The wheels are turned. I think it was trying to avoid me. But look at that. That's pretty cool. So I guess if there was an object, it would try to steer around it and not hit objects. Because if you, let's say, want to do the auto park for parallel parking, perpendicular parking, which this thing can do, you identify the spot, you get out of the car, and then it'll tell you to just press the button and it'll do all the parking maneuvers for you. So I can back it out again. This will eventually time out. So just keep that in mind if you want to show people this, play around with it. It'll eventually say, hey, look, this is enough for, turn off the car, turn it back on, and then you can play with it some more. So see that? It kind of gave up, turned off, and it's like, you're done playing with this. You've had too much fun. So that's a quick glimpse on how it works. Here, let's show some other features really quick when we start up some parking features for this car. So this button right here is your park sensors. You can disable that or enable that. And this button right here, you press it once to turn on your cameras. If you press and hold it, it'll turn on park assist. So just keep the vehicle stationary. Let's do this real quick. So now we can do smart exit instructions. Let's talk about this. Take hands off the steering wheel, press and hold the park view button. So hands are off steering wheel, press and hold the park view button. So we're gonna do that. And right now, it thinks it sees a parallel parking spot. Let's just see how it all does it. Fasten seatbelt. Oh god, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Of course, what was I thinking? Guys, of course I had it on. And then we can press and hold the park assist button again and have it do its thing. It says moving forward. It walks you through the process. And you can do this while you're outside of the car as well. When you have your key in your hand, it'll do the same maneuver. And it exit complete. So it told me got out of the parking spot. So that was all it was telling me to do. And I guess this is not a good example because it's not a realistic example. But if there are cars around you, it'll give you different options: parallel, perpendicular, as well as diagonal parking. So yeah, I want to show you guys the cameras as well because the cameras are really good. So we close that. You have your 360 surround view camera, which is really nice. Pans through. It's high quality. Then you have your settings here. Distance warning, top view, rear view. If you don't want those, you don't have to have them. And then here you have this. Different perspectives. And that along the sides. So, yeah, really good camera system. And I hope that was at least worth a couple minutes of your time to learn that and understand what to expect from this park assist system. So, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.